In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a client billing summary report in Clio Manage. To get started, log into your Clio Manage account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily access the navigation menu. This report is useful when you want a clear overview of billing activity and a more detailed breakdown that you can review or share offline. From the left sidebar, click Reports. This will take you to the reporting area, where Clio Manage organizes different report types in one place. Since we're focused on billing, the next step is to open the billing report. Once you select it, the report page will load and display the available reporting options. Before exporting anything, take a moment to review the settings at the top of the report. You can adjust the filters, columns, and groups as needed. Filters help you narrow down the information you're looking at. Columns control which details appear in the report, and groups can help organize the data in a way that's easier to read. If you're creating this report for a specific time period or matter type, this is the stage where you'll want to confirm those selections carefully. After that, verify the billing summary displayed at the top of the report. This section gives you a high-level snapshot of the billing information, so it's a good place to quickly confirm that the totals and summary data match what you expect. Reviewing this first can save time before you move on to the more detailed results. Next, look through the detailed billing information in the report results. This is where you'll see the individual entries and supporting data behind the summary. Read through it carefully to make sure everything appears accurate and complete. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust the filters, columns, or grouping options before exporting. Once you're satisfied with the report, click Export in the top right corner. Clio Manage will then prompt you to choose your preferred export format. Select the format that works best for your needs, whether you're saving it for internal review, sending it to someone else, or keeping it for your records. Finally, save the exported billing summary report to your device. Choose a location that's easy to remember so you can quickly find the file later. It's also a good idea to give the file a clear, recognizable name for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully generated and exported a client billing summary report in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.